A marketing flyer becomes much more effective when shapes are used to organize information and guide attention. Open Canva and create a new flyer using the size you need. Choose a clean background that matches your brand, then go to the Elements panel and add circles, rectangles, lines, or abstract shapes. Use these shapes to create separate areas for the product image, headline, promotional message, and contact information. Upload your product image and position it in the main visual section of the flyer. Add a bold headline, a short marketing message, pricing or an offer, and a clear call to action using professional fonts. Use your brand colors throughout the shapes and text to create consistency.